New details tonight on the murder of 47-year-old mother from Clinton Township. We now know what caused the tragic death of Jackie Newman. Details on this case from police have been few and far between so far, but 7 Action News reporter Kimberly Craig has certainly been digging for answers.
The main cause of her death was asphyxiation.
Action News has learned why it may be that Clinton Township police have not released details of how 47-year-old Jackie Newman was murdered. Sources say it's because it's so horrific that they just don't want to talk about it. Joseph Pagan is charged with premeditated murder and sexual assault, and what he's told police amounts to what many would call a confession.
The defendant gave several lengthy statements that were consistent with the facts and evidence appropriate with the charges that we charged him with. So we're very confident that we have the right individual and the right defendant who committed these heinous crimes.
He swore that he would kill her and her son.
Action News talked to Jackie Newman's ex-husband yesterday. He's the father of her 11-year-old son, who was actually supposed to be with Jackie during the time she was killed. But we're told Jackie was about to go on vacation, so he was with his dad.
I'm just glad he wasn't there.
And he knows that this guy is just evil. And that's the best way I can describe it, is he's an evil person.
Joseph Pagan was on probation after being arrested last fall for allegedly assaulting Jackie and for drugs. And Action News has learned that the reason his court records are sealed is likely because he worked out some sort of a deal as a first-time offender. But now the 38-year-old St. Clair County man is accused of carrying out his threat to kill Jackie, a woman he once hired as his caregiver, which led to the two dating off and on. His preliminary exam is now set for later this month.
He's behind bars, and I don't anticipate him seeing the light of day ever again.
In Macomb County, Kimberly Craig, 7 Action News.